Hey everyone, today I'll show you an easy way to create a stylish letter poster using the Mezzotint Pixelate effect in Adobe Illustrator. Stick around till the end to see the full process. First, select the Type tool and type the letter you want to use. Make sure to choose a bold font. I'll be using Montserrat ExtraBold font for this tutorial. Next, right-click on your letter and choose Create Outlines. Then, grab the Direct Selection tool. Select the left side of the letter, hold down the Shift key, and drag it slightly to the left. After that, change the letter's fill color to a gradient. Now, go to the Effect menu, select Pixelate, and then click on Mezzotint. In the Mezzotint window, zoom out the preview so you can see the letter clearly. Choose the Long Lines option and click OK. Once the Pixelate effect is applied, use the Gradient tool to fine-tune the effect on the letter. After that, go to Object and select Expand Appearance to finalize the effect. Now it's time to add an image. Go to File, select Place, and choose an image from your computer. Click Place and position the image over the letter. Then, click Embed. Right-click the image, go to Arrange, and choose Send to Back. Select both the image and the letter, then open the Appearance panel by going to Window, then Appearance. In the Appearance panel, click on Opacity and select Make Mask. Make sure to check Invert Mask to blend the image perfectly with the letter. Finally, change the background to your liking and your poster is ready. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more creative content.